Are you excited? Look how beautiful you look. It looks like that hospital stay was good for you, eh? Go see Newman? Okay, let's go. Let's go say hi to everybody. Whoa, okay. Here he comes. Here he comes. Stop. Here. Oh my gosh. It's Cookie. Hi, Cook. Here. Are you trying to get to Cookie? Huh? Come on, Cook. Coco's excited. Come on out. You gonna come out? There's Newman. Newman pretends he doesn't know you're home. You need a hand? You want this? Does that help? Okay, I'll help. Hold on. Okay, there you go. That's easier. There we go. Whoa! Oh, your walking isn't that great, is it? Huh? Let's get you situated. You happy? You happy to be home, sweetie pie? Yeah. Are you okay? You need help, don't you? Are you gonna help? Here, let's get you up. You want your cage, right? Oh yeah, he can't perch anymore. We need to fix this up. Can you get up? Okay, I gotta take this shelf off. There we go, eh? What do you think? Cookie time? You okay? Oh. It's okay, sweetie. There we go. You sit there. Are you okay? Okay, so he's just getting used to perch. There we go. Good boy. Having a drink? Huh? Good boy, having a drink? Are you? No, you can't come out, okay?